Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today we are going to make an app with the help of MIT App Inventor to retrieve data from the Firebase real-time database. In a previous video, I have shown you how to send the data to the Firebase database. If you have missed the video, the link is in the video description. The retrieval of data by the app is set to an interval of 2 seconds and you can change it according to your liking. Right now, the app is only supporting Android, but in future, we will make iOS also. MIT App Inventor is a high-level block-based visual programming language developed by Google, which allows people to create applications for Android as well as iOS as of 25 September 2023. You can download the app from the link in the video description. If you have some clarification setting up the database, I will refer you to watch my previous video about creating a project in Firebase real-time database. The link will be in the I button as well as the description of the video. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video. Then we open Google and search for MIT App Inventor. I will provide the link in the video description. This is their website. Click on Create Apps. After that, we sign in with our Google account. Once signed in, click on Project and click on Start Project. Then give your app a name. Here I have already made it, so I will show you. Go to Project, click on My Project, and I'm selecting Random Data. This is the app which I have made for you. First, I have included some parameters. The first thing I have made is a Firebase image. Second, I have created using a label to give some white space. Then with the label 3, I have put a text there, which is random one. And the text color is default, which is black. Then the font size is 40. Then I'll set a font with the label 2, which is 0, of the font size 33, having automatic width and automatic height, and a text color of red. On the same way, I have made some more labels which has label 3, 4 up to 10 with the same parameters. Then I included the Firebase database console parameters using the experimental function and dragging and dropping the functions over here. We have provided the Firebase token, the Firebase URL, and the project bucket. You can get everything from the real-time database. Here I have copied the reference URL. And this is the project bucket name. Here it is the number which I have mentioned. To get the API key, go to Project Overview. Under Project Settings, you can find the Web API key. Provide everything here. Then, to give it refreshing time, I click on Clock, drag and drop it over here, and set the time interval 2 seconds. Once that's finished, we have completed the designing level. Now we go to block section. On the block section, we just click on clock. When the clock 1 timer is set, click on clock timer. And after that, we just need to get values from the database. For that, I just drag and drop the get value tag from the Firebase DB1 console. And to get the numbers, we just use a math function and drop the parameters over there. And that if the value is not present, we will print as app failed. And I duplicated all the functions till 5 because we have 5 parameters to get the value from the Firebase console. You can change the text over here. Right now I am providing it with app failed. You can change it to value error or something according to your needs. It's up to you. So that's it with the clock 1 timer. For the next section, we click on Firebase DB1 and select Firebase DB1 got value block, drag and drop to the console. Then I choose the contact font for logic. It will be if then function. If we get the value from Firebase, we just need to provide a logic. It will be an equivalent value. If we get the logic and from the tag from the Firebase DB1 console, and we will check if the value is 1, we set the label to text to the value which we got from the Firebase. For that, we just select the label to, and we will set the label to text to the get value. The get value is the value which we got from the Firebase, and we duplicate the value, and this is one tag. So we just need to provide 5 tags since we have 5 datas from the Firebase DB1 console. I have done that. Once we have finished everything, we just click on label. Then we set the labels to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Once we completed building the app, click on Android API key and we will be prompted with the API download option or a QR code to download the app. Then I open the app in my mobile. As you can see, the value gets updated every 2 seconds. This is how to make an Android app using MIT App Inventor. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.